and I kind of were two big players in that game back then.
What are these?
1 million, 5 million, 6, 1 million, 6 million.
We got a LaFerrari. So much has happened in the past 3 days, and I haven't even been able to install my Koenigsegg Agera exhaust. Literally, it's been sitting in this box, and I plan to go out there and install it. I really haven't even had the time. So we're able to secure a Jesco allocation and a CC850 allocation for my friend Julius, and he is pretty stoked. So that's kind of been the entirety of Monterey so far. So good news is that when he gets those cars, they'll be right here on the channel, and hopefully I can convince him one day to sell me the Jesco when I can actually afford a Jesco, and it'd be a pretty cool, I don't know, we kind of spec'd it together, so it's like a Houston Julius spec. It's pretty nice. I'm hoping that the meetings that I had this week, like the real meetings that I had this week, which were not filmed, were the behind the closed doors, were the business meetings, are gonna bring something absolutely epic to this channel. It's gonna be so cool, like I don't wanna say anything because I don't wanna ruin the surprise, and well, it's not even done yet. So today, Edmund, where are we gonna go?
We're gonna go bid on a LaFerrari prototype.
Why you gotta tell them it's a prototype?
Gonna go bid on LaFerrari. Very nice.
Listen guys, it's a prototype car. It's got like 18,000 miles on it. It's the only LaFerrari that I can afford, okay? So me, Mr. Humble Houston, now have to go in the lower range of the cars. You know,
Listen, that's a big box. You can live in that box and buy a real LaFerrari. Sell your big house, live in this, and buy a LaFerrari.
Yeah, this whole house situation's got me all messed up too, because my wife thinks that a house is more important than a LaFerrari or a Jesco, and I don't agree. I really don't agree. I'm assuming this car is gonna go for under $2 million. My bid limit is 1.5 million, and if it goes for under 1.5 million, we got a LaFerrari. If it goes over, some guy bought a really expensive prototype car. So far, no major issues with the Agera. We got a lot of rain, and it's kind of a dirty car. I mean, look inside. Got leaves in it. Pretty nice. I can't even say anything. Just look at this. Look at what they took us through. Look at us off-roading over here.
Healthy Wave, popcorn and Red Bull for breakfast. Love it. All right guys, here's the LaFerrari that Houston's gonna be bidding on. It's a prototype. It is phenomenal.
What I'm bidding on.
Let's check out the interior real quick. So this prototype actually does have the hybrid system in there as well.
A LaFerrari's coming up. 10,000 likes on this video right now. I'm gonna keep betting the car up. I'm gonna bet against Houston. 10,000 likes.
Guest pass, you idiot. I'm gonna lift yours. You're gonna keep doing it until I spend more money?
10,000 likes.
It's a 2014 Ferrari LaFerrari prototype PS1. This is the LaFerrari third phase prototype, the third family car, internally known as the F-150 prototype. $1 million, $6 now, $1 million, $5 a bid, $1 million, $6, $1 million, $5, $1 million, $6, $1 million, $6 bid, I'm gonna $1 million, $600 so bid, $1 time bid, $600, I got 1 6 here, sorry, 7 if you can't, I'm gonna $1 time here,
Do you understand the LaFerrari was $1,450,000 brand new in 2015, and they're currently in the mid threes, right? 3.5, 3.8, 3.6, something along those lines. Okay, this car was hit $2 million on the bid, and now this ridiculous is at $1.4 million.
It's now street legal. You can't drive it.
And you have a duty. It says 1 seat in it. Okay, listen, I want to talk to you about something right now. This idiot in there paid $590 $100,000 for a non-road legal 2014 F12 with a TDF front bumper on it that has a 2.5% duty attached to it when he has to bring it into the country on a non-road legal title, okay? It's literally ridiculous. Like, you could get an F12 right now for like 200 grand that you could drive around, and let's say you call Ferrari and got a real TDF front bumper, maybe $15,000 full from Ferrari. Like, people here, whenever, you guys know that we're in a recession? Because everybody in there doesn't know that.
Houston, stop venting to the camera. It's okay.
This is ridiculous. I came here ready to spend $1.5 million on a prototype LaFerrari, okay? And it didn't even sell. The reserve was higher than $1.5 million. And the one that doesn't even look like a LaFerrari sold for over $1.5 million. That had like one weird carbon seat and a bunch of switches on it. Not even physically drivable. You can go and buy a LaFerrari right now for 3.5 and just drive it around.
I'm set. 50,000 on my head is disrespect.
Where was this yesterday?
Yeah, you were in the other car.
Yeah, I was trying to film the car on the outside. Shit.
Exotics on Broadway, I believe, and my old editor Mark's there too, so I'm excited to see him.
Pleasure. Hey, bro. We follow you on Instagram for a long time, bro.
Yeah.
You do some crazy shit.
Always ask me, aren't you afraid of cops? How do you not get your license taken away? And these geniuses, ticket dismissers over here. They work nationwide, by the way, so just hit them up. Their Instagram's gonna be like right here.
Never get tired of that sound. God.
Damon and I just decided to be friends again, completely kind of out of nowhere, which is good. I'm happy about it. I definitely think that Monterey 3 years ago was cancer in the car industry, in the car world. Damon and I kind of were two big players in that game back then, and I think we should just be friends, you know, and be cool, because we actually make good content together. You know, we might have different opinions on certain things, but at the end of the day, there's no one that's done donuts in a Bugatti and all these crazy things that we used to do back in the day. So I don't know, I'm kind of excited for the next chapter. We've got some cool plans to film together. So I'm meeting Dave right now to give him a peace offering. This is what I'm gonna call it. But I got them each black cards right here. So Houston's Hot Chicken black cards for them, so they can go to the Cerritos location, the upcoming Canada locations, and kind of just pig out and have a good time, you know. So Eben and I thought that this would be a good thing for us to do for them.
Tired. I'm so done with Car Week.
Yeah.
What are these?
Black cards for Houston's Hot Chicken.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so you guys can go there, California, one in Canada, there's plenty in Vegas, Arizona. So you guys are traveling, it's on me. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Oh man, perfect.
Yeah, you'll start looking like me.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. That's really cool. This is sick. That's sexy, by the way, that card.
Hey, what's up, guys?